My name is Dr. Brad Deacon. I'm coming to you from Burlington Spinal Decompression. So my lovely assistant is on our decompression tables. Decompression tables is probably a very poor way of describing this. This is a 4-dimensional non-surgical spinal decompression table that puts in really incredible forces into your spine that help us correct structural abnormalities. Now this technology is really amazing for dealing with things like scoliosis, for sciatica, for disc degeneration, disc bulges, herniations. It's really the go-to technology that's really going to kind of make its way into the profession soon. We're very blessed. We have 4 of these tables, and we're the only clinic we know of in North America that has 4 of these active. Now these tables are amazing for a variety of different things because, as I said, it does 4 dimensions. So let's, for instance, say this lady has a scoliosis. What we can do is we can put in a force this way to help re-engorge the discs and straighten the spine. We can actually put pelvic flexion in to open up the back nerve roots and change the curves and the angles. But it also can do things like lateral flexion, where we can actually change pelvic balance and correct the sideways curvatures of the spine. But it also does spinal rotation. So for people that have a twisting of the spine or a true scoliosis, we can actually unwind it and correct it, not just treat it and make it feel better. If you don't correct a scoliosis, it tends to get worse because as we age, our bones soften, our hormones change, and the bones become more porous. So curvatures and lateralities, they tend to increase as we get older. So the only thing to do is to correct it while you're younger or while you still can. Again, my name is Dr. Brad Deacon. We're coming from Burlington Spinal Decompression. We'd love to help you. Thank you.